So you're driving down the street one day, and out of nowhere, out of the blue, you get hit by another driver. You all of a sudden realize that you suffered major injuries, a concussion, fractured bones, scratches. While you're in the hospital, you realize that the person who hit you did not have insurance at the time of the accident. Right after the accident, everybody's very nervous and does not know what to do. Make sure to remember these top 5 things to do right after the accident to make sure you protect your rights and all the documents you need down the line to give to us so we can protect your case and get the full compensation you deserve. Hi, my name is Shamsi. I've been practicing personal injury in California since 2007, helping people just like you who've been injured in an accident to protect their rights and make sure they get the right compensation they deserve. If you've been in an accident and having problems with the insurance company and getting the runaround or being bullied, make sure to visit my website and set up a time to meet with me or my staff. Also, make sure to visit my YouTube channel for more videos and more information about personal injury cases. Being involved in an accident is a very traumatizing experience. But what do you do when the person who hit you doesn't have insurance? Number 1, seek medical attention as soon as possible. Make sure you go to the urgent care or the ER to make sure that your injuries are attended to and that the insurance companies know that you're injured. Because if you wait, the longer you wait from the date of the accident to your first initial doctor visit, the insurance company will see you as not being injured and that you're trying to exaggerate your pain and suffering. You need to make sure go to the doctor right away, number 1, to take care of yourself, and number 2, make sure that you take proper pictures at the scene of the accident if you can prior to the cars being moved. You need to make sure to capture the scene as it is prior to the cars being moved, because if later on down the line the insurance company tries to dispute how the accident happened and where it happened, those pictures will help us to re-dramatize and recreate how the accident happened to support your case. Number 3, talk to the witnesses. Make sure after the accident where you're in a safe place to talk to any witnesses around the area, get their name, phone number, and ask them how they thought the accident occurred. Number 4, make sure right after the accident where you're in a safe place to make sure the other person, number 1, is okay. Number 2, make sure you get all the identifying factors so we can locate the person down the line. Make sure to get the other person's driver's license, his insurance company, policy number and phone number, and the person's license plate number. Number 5, make sure you call the local authorities. After the accident occurred and you guys are in a safe place, make sure to call the police to come down to the investigation and talk to the witnesses. Cops will come out typically and will have you guys exchange information and will look at the scene and give their opinion of what they think how the accident happened and who is at fault. Their opinion in court does not matter who's at fault, but what does matter is the facts and the measuring they use at the scene of the accident that we can use down the line to give to our experts to recreate the accident again. So if you've been involved in an accident and you're not at fault, make sure you contact our office right away, because the insurance company is not your friend. They're going to bully you, run you around, run you down, and try to give you lowball offers to get you out and get the case settled. You need to contact us so we can protect you and get the money you're entitled as a compensation from the injuries you suffered in the accident. Make sure to call us or go online and visit my site and make an appointment to talk to me or my staff. Also, make sure to visit my YouTube channel for other videos we have on personal injury cases.